Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use pen tool in Affinity Studio. First thing I want you to do is actually come here on the left hand panel and I want you to click on the pen tool. Then from here I want you to go ahead and click anywhere on the canvas to start creating your point. So I'll go ahead and connect these two as you can see, and then I can click here as well to go ahead and connect the second part of my heart. After that, to go ahead and create the curves, what you do is you go ahead and use shift. So I'll go ahead and bring up the line here, and then we'll go ahead and hold shift on our keyboard as we're creating the line, and we can make these curves. And after that, we'll go ahead and connect the heart finally to this. We'll go ahead and make it as such, and then of course finally you'll go ahead and connect your heart. This is just a general outline of my heart. Then of course you can go ahead and color this up as well, as you can see. And if you want to refine this further, you can go ahead and come here, use the pen tool and refine the nodes. You just go ahead and hold control while you are doing that, and also add more points as well. So that is how to use pen tool in Affinity Studio.